And here we see the Peruvian chickens making their way up the mountainside. They have escaped behind this rock. They have escaped behind the rock, coming out again as they trot along their merry way. Trot along, little chickens. Trot along. And here we see the American college students sitting in the shade after their work. Look at they nom on their chicken, on their relatives nonetheless. Shame, college students, shame. And here we have Stephen enjoying an Inca Cola. Hello, Stephen. Keep on, dear Stephen. Keep on.